Good morning, guys. Hello, baby here. Welcome on today's videos. Our revelation right now. It's another fantastic day which God have granted us. Anyway, thank you so much for clicking my videos and also subscribe, comment, share, like. So, guys, I'm so grateful for the love and support because right now I'm celebrating 8,000 subscribers. Now I'm aiming to 9,000, and then from 9,000, 10,000, and then from 10,000. 100k subscribers. So now I'm going to take my lunchtime right here. So these kales or green cola and also eggs, African ugali. So guys, look how it looks like. Pure white eggs and also kales. That's how my intro starts. And then I was busy since morning, and right now I try to shoot these videos, taking you around. And also I don't know, maybe by tomorrow I'll manage to do some work about construction, but let's see. This is eggs. God bless my food before I take it. In Jesus' name I pray, amen. So now it's time to enjoy. Have you seen African boy hold like this ugali? Eh? Look how my hand is rotating. I mean the fingers. And then you do like this. I'm telling you guys, African ugali, it tastes so sweet. And if you eat this white ugali, you have more energy. And maybe one day when I came to your country, my favorite food was maybe ugali and chapati. Only that. And some local foods, you know. Guys, welcome, to my lunch hour. So guys, let me finish eating my lunch and then we shall vibe from there. So also, this is water here. So I need maybe in the morning taking 1 glass or 2 glass, lunchtime and then evening, because I realize most of the time when I was busy here pushing the wall of Africa by building, even I forget to drink water, and which is not, it's not good, like postpone without drinking water. I need to have good health by drinking water day by day. Maybe some time to avoid, maybe to have kidney stones. You're supposed to drink water and things going well in health. So we shall meet on the next vlog. So I'm heading this way, guys, and after lunchtime I'm going to look one of the guy on other side. So we came with him at my home. We picked the hammer and some nails because I'm going to one of my friends' land to renovate the door, because it's been a while, actually, the door for the toilet. And also we have somebody who staying there, taking care of the land and also the house. According to our culture, when a house like this, when for example nobody's staying inside, so the house could be fall down easily, and it's good somebody to stay there. So there's a lady staying there, so because Also on that land we have the toilet, we have the borehole, we have the house. 3 things. Yeah, and then we are going to renovate the door for the toilets and also maybe for the bathroom. Mwita, njoo vute maji hapa. You see some cute village boy enjoying my luta. Njoo tachurutire mama manchu muhere hari. Eleta vute. Chindo irenga mama. Oh, aye. So my mama shows on the other side right there because today's a weekend and it's lunchtime, taking care of the cows. Careful, only fancy cup. I'm telling my sister to be very careful. Muita. Aya taruta mono here mama hare ga taru ki mahike mor. Dita kumi mam. Ta ga taru ki muneno so mono mo here ha. This is my brother. Say hello.
Hello.
You good?
Yeah.
Okay. Fetch one. And then you take to the cow. Alright, okay, fetch. I'll take because I'm heading this way. Now guys, imagine. Now even to give cows water, we fetch from the borehole. Everything from here, Even guys, I can't believe a day like this, we could, fetch water here. And this place is very cold. So there is one post there that support the looter. Okay, I think that's enough. So let me take it to my mom. Guys, as you watch these videos, give more like as you can and also subscribe to my channel. Chukua kikombe. Peleka ndani. Sister, say hello.
Hello.
You good? And imagine that shirt that my sister wear. It's my shirt. You imagine when I was a kid, a young kid like her. So, guys, as you watch these videos, please subscribe. Share my videos to your friends and let's tell them, oh, you know what? Support the boy, hello baby, from motherland, Kenya. Ninko mahiro here. Hayere. Maga muke. Sasi, sanan. Hati nataka kunywa maji ma. Mama, say hello.
Hello.
You good?
I am fine.
Now we're remaining with around 8 minutes. Ifike saa 9. Right now it's 14:52. That's 2:52. So we're remaining with 8 minutes to be 3 p.m. Yeah, what I believe in my life, hard work always pay. You see how my mama, she was working so hard buying this one cow when it's a small calf, and then it grew up grazing right, left, center, and then it gives 3 cows. Now we have the 4th one. Only this one cow, because we have 3 bigger and also the small baby. Only this, imagine. Slowly. And that's how it tells you, even that house will build slowly. One day will finish up. No pressure. Hey. And also this is my brother's maize. Really taking care of it. Imagine. He has this land here where he rented on other side, and then on my great grandma's side. It's simply because we didn't have like enough or a huge piece of land to plant maize. So sometime to plant some maize here, we just rented from people's land. Yeah, if I could have even money, I could buy this land for my mom, so at least we have more more land to plant maize or corn. No. they tried to trigger me, like it was grazing and then it spilled some maize. Now today, hello babies are a grazer. I'm trying to graze the cow, looking after the cow. That, yeah, that. Mama, me, I'm going. I'm going to kumyoka. Ento areke baby, monta ke mai rebo baby. Te ama mani pa ka mai.
Kamu ma kami to ke ni hayu ata amaira ni kamari ni ante linga chere kinanga. Gogo mote.
Ni gatu inna we, vitu na uko chini. Haiko ngero marango ko rugicho ni nyoko pa moka. Hey, okay, that's my mama. We normally vibe with my mom in the village. We have we have another cows here, guys. Let me show you, because I told you that cow gives us 4 cows here. Let's see. This is water, and there's another cow grazing here. Also, I have one cow which I love him, the bull one, this one. Yeah? It's grazing. We have another one right here. Also it's upcoming bull. So we're remaining with another small cow from the other side. So anyway guys, as you watch these videos for the very first time, my name is Hello Baby Official once again, and I'm just a humble guy, you know, who climbed the ladder day by day, you know. And also guys, you mean the world to me, and also you mean a lot to my family, and also you mean a lot to my life. So I'm still grinding so hard, guys, to achieve my goal, to achieve my dream. And also I'm so thankful for you guys, because without you I couldn't be here today, like building my mama house, doing my own thing. You know, little that I get, I'm trying to keep pushing maybe the whole of Africa, maybe to feed my family step by step, you know. Without even my mama, I couldn't be here, like to be a nice guy. No, trust me, I could maybe somewhere else, you know. So that's my brother's mess. It reach here and then go that way. You see this? You have like a boundary here, you know. These some beans. Hey, yeah. You see? The outer cover looks like red in color. You have banana, you can see. Hey, I'm telling you. And also it's a risk. You try to imagine this is a borehole here. It's around 57 feet. You see, right here. And also this is a road here. Look, from here to there, people are passing here. Me I wonder, guys. And you see, when it's raining, water is being full until this level, even you can touch with your finger right here. But going deeply, it's around 50 something feet. Very tall, borehole. So let me see my power, and then be pushing from there. Mary, say Mary hello. Local saloon. Eh? This is Mary. Wait. Hello.
Hello.
Guys, imagine there's a local saloonist. Na unajua kusuka. Kusuka kunaitwaje Mary?
Sini kusonga. In English. I don't know.
Yeah, you know how to do these things. To twist the hair. If you have a saloonist in our village, hey, we would also kidogo. Haya. Mimi niende huko Mary. So guys, that's the local salonist. To put the chairs outside, and then one lady tried to twist your hair, and I'm trying to think if she could have maybe a small cube for the salonist, maybe in Nyabohanse, she can try the best and also change her life, you know, at least to get daily income, you know. So guys, me, I'm thinking this guy, where he going? So let me see, every day me I just check him when I have some work. Lol. Hey, all my deal have been failed. Lol. I don't know, because here it's home. I need to push the gate. Huh? Oh my god. When you find a padlock like this, you take a U-turn. So let me look him manually. Or maybe I can go I personally. You know, I look maybe a small bag to hold the nails and also hammer. Let me go. No. This is the land, or maybe his farm. He plants avocados, maize, strawberry. You know this strawberry plant, I mean. Strawberry right here. And this also, it smells good. It acts like tea leaves. When you do like this, trust me, you know. Very nice. And also he plants papaya. Look, upcoming papaya. So the only thing that I didn't see here in our village, oh, we have more strawberry plantation. The only thing I don't see in our village here, it's bumpy banana. And when I go to the market, I normally found them, you know. Also some sugar cane right there. That's the sugar cane. It's growing so fantastic. As you can see right here, there's sugar cane plantation. And also even him, he has the borehole here. You can see, guys. Sometimes we do in locally way. Veggies, onions. And hey. So this, it's act as a tea leaves, and it's smelling so nice. When you mix in a tea, the black tea, even you can finish up a full jug of tea. He plant also kales, and that's serious. And I love about him, and also with his wife or her wife, they're working so hard. You know, he plant even more bananas. You can see them right there. Once more again, I was passing here, and if you're watching this video for the very first time, again, this is my brother's maize plantation here. Look how it's grown so big. And if you remember, during the funeral of my uncle right here, and we built the house inside of this maize. So this maize was too small, and then people step on it. But for me, I told my brother, no, never give up, and don't maybe unweed this maize. Just left the way it is, and then it will grow up. And then look how it's doing well. So big, so big. When you roasted maize like that, you can sell around 20 shillings, Kenyan shillings. But I know most of other country, you can buy this maize around, if it's roughly maybe $1. But for us here, it's around 0.0 something dollars. So anyway, guys, we shall meet on the next vlog after meet that guy. Stay tuned. Guys, I found manpower right here, and I told you I will find him. Okay, let's go. Here on this blue stuff, I have some nails and some hammer here. Yeah. So guys, we left home and I'm heading to the new land to do some renovation. You know, sometimes it reach a point where things are missing out, and I'm around. I need to solve it. Hey. Guys, even I'm not sure, maybe by tomorrow people will mix the concrete. I'm not sure. Honest, guys, you know. Woo! We are leaving home like that. We have a sharp corner here, right there. See that corner? Very sharp. You must hold like pepe. You have to alert people. Also, this is a sharp corner here. We have two major sharp corners. Kids from the village chewing sugar cane. Okay. Wadipo, habari gani bana? Ichadi. Yeah. One call the control. Sasa go the ingichigi niko sawa sawa. You know guys, first time when I give Muita to ride me on my bike, the gears, you know, trigger him. Now he know better. That's cow right here. See that house? Oh. Hey. And also water tank tower. Okay. They are selling here banana right there. That's some banana. That's a church. This is a church here, and construction taking place right there. This is a school, and I'm telling you, majority of schools in Africa, you must have church. Whether you like it or not, you must have church. That's my mama. That's my mama. She went to the market and see what's going on. Woo! Local fence. The same time right here. Now guys, we're near Bohanse, and then this is a rental house at the local price, you know, and then we hit the road to other side. Also, that's the rental. Lots of firewood drive for burning bricks. See? So guys, finally we are in Yabuhans. Today it's on Sunday. No more people moving up and down. That's small market. One man. Let's go. I can't look behind there. I don't know. Come on, boat stupid. Alright. You're heading this way, man. Okay. Heading down. Yeah, Chacha, niko poa. Yeah. Sai, niko poa. Icho. That's a pickup. That's one of the transport of the material. So guys, it's been a while and I missed this place so much. You know, it's because sometimes I was busy here, there, and you know, I didn't get a chance to be going down. But today I said, yeah, I must do it, because the moment I talk things on camera, I must do it. That's police station here. Let's go down. Today we get surprised on a new land.
Yeah.
Yes. Going slowly. Guys, I think when I get money, I look after Mweta, because Mweta give you a lot of work and it really helped me when I didn't have money. But when I get money, I'll spoil you.
Thank you.
Even I'll make shopping for your family.
Thank you.
Yeah, you wait.
I appreciate my brother.
Okay, man, you're welcome. People are building the wall of Africa. Oh, we are heading down on this famous road. That's tobacco plantation, which are very illegally and harmful to human body. Okay, let's go with you. In case maybe I'll send you one day, oh man, if I'll go and do some work there, you know the direction.
Yeah.
Okay guys, we're in this place here. I know it's very like famous to you, because most of the people pass here vlogging, and now even I get surprised. A lot of things have been changed here. People have been building, you know. Look, yeah, there's a sharp corner there. Wow. Yeah, let's go down. That's Congrats Mom's home. Now I'm waving. Yeah, here we go slowly. Anyway guys, now we almost to reach on that land, and I'm keep praying to find the lady who's staying there, so even to say hello, how things go. Corner shop for Uncle Mo. See? That's Uncle Mo. Twende chini. Down. Yeah. Going this way, we are going to Mayuguno's home. Look, that's Marwa's cow grazing there, and I'm heading that way. So Mweta, stand here. Utapit tigati merahan. Anyway guys, the video continues, and right now we're just over here. Imagine, you see that gate, that's villa, and I'm here. Unaweza pita magu isikie mbareka hapa. Okay. Okay, have this. I thought was going to at 20. So guys, if you remember, I picked some stones from here. Even me need to put the sweater down. Lolo. Hey, hapo chini ni kwa Maro. Okay, he was asking me down there, and I told him down there it's for Maro Express. Now, guys, that's how everything is, and I left some small stones. You imagine, you calculate how many years this sun stay here until when this tree growing bigger like this, you know. Sometime it's very tricky. Look. So and also it creates some shade here. But when I was, you know, like removing these stones from here, you know, also fresh, also I cut it. So anyway, welcome on this new land. I'm heading there. I'm the lady who's staying here. Maybe she went to work. Even I see a small solar panel on top. So when she will be come here, she will get surprised. You know, this is a borehole, and I do it by myself. Sometimes I'm trying to be a mason. So manipawani hii tu. Naonaje vile watu wamejenga. I'm telling my neighbor, how do you see? That's my neighbor. How do you see? People are building. You see? Okay. Yeah, even I think even my house I will put Nikopo. I think even on my house I'll put 2 pillars. Eke kumachir. Ama tuweke pila moja. So naona ile varanda inalingana hiyo.
Ile ama. Sasa na varanda sasa haijajengewa chochote.
Ikwembe.
Watakuja wajijenge baadaye.
So guys, here this one just okay. There has no problem. Only maybe oh my god. Only this one have some problem. And also it's a toilet, Islamic toilet. You flush water, that lid open down there, and then chukuru. Wala mwezi tunarekebisha hapa tu. Sasa hapa mbaku ifungie kwa ndani. Upige. Ama ni hivyo ngoja.
Kwanza ni mwezi msumari.
You see guys how things look in a totally mess. You know. Since we bought this land, this toilet look like that way how it looks like. Nobody's spoiling here or do anything. No. That one I don't want to lie on it because it's reached a point where I tried to renovate it personally. And I hope mom you're watching these videos. You see how things go. I'm a good caretaker. Tokuke ponera ho.
Lazima nipige msumari.
Yeah, and I think to put iron sheets like that on my mom's dream house right there. How do you see guys? Compare than this and that. Okay, go to say we hate you. Yes, you must put down.
Have to fix.
Telling you guys, it's very tricky. Now, that's the work that we're doing there, renovating that door. You know, at least I need for the lady who's staying here to be in a good condition, like not in to be on toilet, things are shagala bagala. No, see there. So that's the work of manpower. Mwita, but the nickname manpower. Is it
Primary school.
yes? You know, manpower means oh.
Sorry,
The guy who have a lot of power.
but you don't have.
Now we put them down. I think even for my grandma, I make a door like this because we have the left iron sheet, and then I paint for my grandma one door for the toilet. Things look so nice. Chenko mae. Nataka kutemera giigene. Upigire hiyo yenyewe haiwezi kuwa. Instead ya kuitoa. Amuvunje. Suvunje ufanye hivi.
Nipiga inchi sita hapa.
Hata hiyo haitoki. Yeah, because it's a dry wood or a dry timber. So si upigirie. Yule. So upige hivi. Hata sawa. Yeah, because you came with a new iron sheets. No, nails, I mean. Inside here. This is a hay. Yeah, this is Mara's hay. Yeah, I see a lot of hay there. Guys, I'm telling you, very fantastic job. I supposed to do it in the morning, but there's some stuff I was running here and there, you know. So I make sure my family get breakfast. I must maneuver around. Mbona ungeweka kwa shimo hapo? Hapo.
Kwa shimo hivi. Hizi rudisha tena kwa shimo.
Aishikilie tu. And guys, if you want to have a land again next to the villa, this land is on sale, plus a house, that one here, and me, I'm telling you for free. You know, I supposed to extend it, but because of money, you know, I don't know, we have this portion here, but this, it's on sale. It's have everything: house, water, and toilets. This one here, you know. If maybe you're watching these videos and you feel like, hey, I want to be around at the villa, you'll be lucky. That one here. Ni ngumu? Subiri kwa hiyo shimo nimekuambia. Upige inchi nne ndio itafika. Hai. Kumevara machamo. Imagine, it's very hard wood. Even the nails are bending. Nikwambia hivi litakuwa mwito. Geuza hii mlango. Upige msumari kwa hii bati na hii. No guys. Si metoka.
Hizo inchi mbili sasa.
Dunge. Fikiria hapo kwa nini? Guys, it came with some nails here. The only thing that I don't want is to struggle. Yeah, we fix even one here. Yeah, guys, we are doing a fantastic job, and that's how things go. Fixing the broken door. Wake up a moment. Then after that, we're gonna fix it here. That door, we fix it here. Even I think the lady, when she will be arrived here, things have been changed. Guys, we are fixing it again because now it's time I fix the broken door of this toilet, and I'm telling you guys, you know, Ulikuwa tu hivyo. Tabidi urudishe penye ulikuwa tu.
Zimepinda.
Hivyo tu. Kama sana. Manpower. You see, kid. It's okay, man. Iko sawa kabisa. Perfect work. There's no problem. This one I'll fix it later. Hey. At least saya kiingia ndani anaweza weka hii chapi ya ndani ndio muhimu. This one is the important. You want to enter inside, you can lock. Okay. So guys, we are leaving this place and I think everything's well and fantastic. Let's go on, pal.
Yep.
You know these are hay? Have you ever seen a hay? These are hay. Yes, for the horses. Yeah. You know when horses eating the remaining one, they give some cows. Yeah, even you see. Yeah, this is a hay. Yes, it's for Myro. And I talked to him. I told him, you just graze here. Yeah, even yeah, you see even the cows. Yeah. Okay, guys, we are heading home, and I'm so grateful. So manpower. One day when I send you here, you know the place.
I know the place.
Yes. Not gazing. So guys, we shall meet home. Stay tuned. Guys, we just back home and I park my bike here. Okay, let's go, manpower. We done a fantastic job. Okay. No. Bruno, stop it. Manpower kikali nke hai. Hakuna mriba. Oh. Okay.
Lazima wote.
I'm telling you guys, the car didn't get accident. Brand new car. Whoa. This can knock on this small mabad. I'm telling you here, guys, the car got accident. You didn't hear, eh? How do you
feel? Guys, let me tell you, when God, it's only God that can make your life safe.
Okay.
Yeah, because imagine that those borders were almost also to be swept.
Eh? Noma sana, noma. Yeni gari mamilioni. Anyway, guys, I'll take you there after a few minutes and then to see what's going on. Now we are in border town. Imagine all of these motorbikes were being here, and then you see even the police, yeah? No COVID.
No COVID.
Montoro kibanda kera ya budi mbuli.
Sasa venye atafanya?
Achinje mbuzi,
alafu anunue kreti mbili ya pombe.
Akae chini yale.
Akae chini yale. Alafu kama ana boyfriend, kama ana girlfriend itafute.
Even me, I left my bike on the other side, and I wonder what's happened here. But anytime I'll take you there and to see. So this is the reality, you know. I see some police traffic. I don't know what's happened, and people are running up and down to see. Wewe, nakura maisha. Chunga sana. Hey. Let me show you the traffic, guys. See, people are wondering what's going on. This guy for around maybe 4.5 million, and then you only get him a million in that. Remember. Yeah, guys, you see. Oh my God. Even some crate of sodas. Hey. I'm telling you. Aqua. Unaona ingempigi msukume kwenda huko. Hatari. Nani? Aombe Mungu. Aombe Mungu sana. Ni miguu ingevunja. Sasa juu kamili anakaaga hapo. Piga ifinye miguu. Imagine, guys, there's somebody working a small M-Pesa here, and then she went out. Unfortunately, they can't knock, you know. Okay. She was the one who managed that stuff. She was wondering, guys, right here. I'm telling you. She was the one. We are in border town.
Something happened here.
Yes, an accident. So that car is for around maybe 5-point-something million. Si gari ya mchezo, ni gari ya mamilioni. Yeah? Brand new.
Yeah. Millions of money.
Yeah, it's already happened. So anyway, guys, me, I'm closing to other side, and yeah, let's see how things go. 20. I do left my bike.
Latest car.
Hey, bro, around maybe 5-point-something million, and then you know.
Guys, that is almost $50,000. $50,000.
Yeah.
Hitting a $50,000. And it's a new car, brand new.
Okay, may I park here? Anyway, guys, we shall see on the next vlog, you know. Pole. You see these guys coming here. Careful. They want to pull up down by using this track. Anyway. Unaongea hivyo? Ni kukusumanja mtaba. You good? Utaiona tu.
YouTube.
Hey guys, look that car. Emalia. Unyama mwingi huo. Oh, you see? And then, let's how things go.
Buda, mtajina manyonyo. Ni blanda.
Kuna gari imemiss. Bana, ningepata demo hapo.
Ingepata ulo kuela mule. Ingemlamba msolombo jo.
See some traffic here,
Buda, usitake jua.
Okay, and you go. Toca, wait.
I'm telling you guys, that is a breakdown. Some police. Mtu anaongeaga mmoja na atashika mwenyewe.
Matagaje bakumanya.
Bye.
Matagaje bakumanya bakotole mabana.
Bamahe.
Barambuke.
Batarambuka. Yekirone gikepi. Wikira kwimuka ibwara ramaha.
Rendo non di nici burke.
Hiki tumeka handbrake.
Andare non di nici bro.
I'm telling you here, you know, people are witness, you know, like, hey, what's up? Okay. Twende bana, itakuja happen in another way. We man, umenu kunywa soda eh.
Kama wana baswere kare.
Ante mepaf. Ante mepaf. Atika tinkunywa Coca-Cola ne. Kada gari ni akura kwa masinchama.
Amataka kupiga sherehe sijui wapi.
Jamaa mdogo. So guys, there is one major point that I have here. It's my, you know, like my brief point. Maybe sometime it could be a pregnant point, but I need to analyze it. So here I'm remaining with these stones here. You know, I bring one truck because there's no way like you can buy a half truck and then it's bring to your site. So I bought one truck I use for the front porch, and I think this the remaining, the reason number one, maybe I will use it by building the wall here. Again, the reason number two, I have another house which I cut there, and it acts as a store. I'm thinking to, you know, like I push slowly because this house I can't finish right now, or not now guys, when I finish everything, because stones would stay there, they will stay there like you know, 3 years, 2 years. When I finish this one, that's my target number 2 that I'm going to do. So Now maybe by tomorrow I'll take you to my mom's construction sites. I don't know, maybe when maybe tomorrow we start the work, I don't know, but hopefully by Monday or Tuesday I'll start, honest. And in case guys you meet my videos, subscribe or like, comment, and also let me know in the comment section what do you think about on this amazing channel. So guys, I love you from my bottom of my heart. Let's see you on tomorrow's videos guys. Bye.